broski. I'm ready to get back on another one, broski. I hope this shit ain't ass, bro. Hope it ain't ass, man. Let's get on this, man. No talking about this. This about Lil Yachty, so I know it gotta be fresh, bro. Man, when I do just that Curry, bro, I'm about to get his dumb ass.
Love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. No need to front, no need to flex, no need to hide it. Every time I say you, I get so excited. I will give it all to you.
I don't know why they say Lil Yachty ass. Like, do y'all not see that this is the fucking future? Like, y'all not see this? This nigga's a fucking goat. Bad. What you talking about? If y'all don't like it, get down in the comment section.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. No need to front, no need to flex, no need to hide it. Every time I see you, I get so excited. I will give it all to you. Just tell me we're never gonna be through. Whoa, damn, I see so much of me and you. Time floating, looking at the city view. What we seem to do, always make the front new. But only 3 words I gotta say to you, and that is I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I do. I really love you. So many things I do for you. Yeah, we fight, but you my boo. I know sometimes you think that I ain't doing wrong. But trust me, I keep you in mind. Trust me, I keep you in mind.
Man, that's it for Lil Yachty though, bro. Hey, Lil Yachty gangster, bro, but damn, bro, my fucking hair look like, let me get my dope figure head out. Fuck you did, boy, you fucked your head up. Go tighten that shit up. Fuck you mean, boy. Man, fuck you mean, boy, with that nasty ass color in your hair, boy. That shit up out of there, man. Hold on, bro, I'm gonna check it out. Hold on. Dang, bro. But yeah, man, I got you, bro. I'm finna get that up out of there. Man, if y'all like, drop a like. Man, you feel me? Y'all already know what's up, man. Smack that subscribe button. And smack that shit. Smack that shit. Smack it. Oh shit. Alright. Peace.